excited to introduce to you the new Ruger PC Carbine with free float handguard. So this free floating handguard features M-lock attachment slots at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions for easy mounting of all sorts of accessories. Extending the full length of the barrel, there's still plenty of room to mount a silencer on the .28 threaded and fluted barrel. Like the rest of the PC Carbine family, the bolt handle and magazine release are easily swappable to the left or right side for ambidextrous use, and features the interchangeable magazine wells, currently set up for SR and Security 9 magazines, and swappable with an included adapter for Glock pattern magazines. Now, the PC Carbine is a takedown, and this makes for a fantastic compact package. For more information about the Ruger PC Carbine, visit Ruger.com or your local firearms retailer.